Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Sri Lankan special Watalappam. The main ingredient to make this dessert is palm jaggery and coconut milk. In Tamil, we used to say palm jaggery as pane vellam or karapatti. This pudding is so delicious and must try. Here are the ingredients to make Watalappam. Take good quality of palm jaggery. I'm using canned coconut milk. You can use homemade coconut milk as well. This is grated nutmeg powder. This gives good aroma to the Watalappam. I have roasted some cashew nuts in ghee. Without further delay, let's get started. Take 250 grams of palm jaggery. Add in half a cup of water and melt the sugar. If palm jaggery is dark in color means the Watalappam will be darker in color. Make sure to use good quality palm jaggery. Palm jaggery is melted and switch off the flame. Cool the palm jaggery slightly before adding into the pudding mix. I am going to steam the Watalappam in the small ramekins. Grease the ramekins with oil. The palm jaggery has cooled down. Take 5 eggs in a mixing bowl and mix it using a wire whisk. The measurement of each ingredient is very important, friends. Add in 3 pinches of salt. In goes 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Give it a mix and add in quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add in 400 ml of thick coconut milk. I am using the canned coconut milk. You can use a fresh one. Add in the melted palm jaggery. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. The pudding mix is almost ready now. Strain the pudding so that we'll get silky smooth texture. These black color thing are from the palm jaggery. Mix it slightly using a wire whisk and let's steam the pudding. Fill the ramekins with the Watalappam mix. Add in some roasted cashew nuts. Well, this is optional. Cover the Watalappam with the aluminium foil and steam the pudding. Since I have used ramekins, it took 30 minutes for me to steam the pudding. So the cooking time depends on the size of the mold. Palm jaggery is available in Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm just testing whether the Watalappam is cooked or not. Insert a toothpick and if it comes out clean means the Watalappam is ready. Cool the Watalappam at room temperature and refrigerate it. Refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. Well, you can serve these Watalappam when hot as well. I'll demold the Watalappam and show you the texture. The aroma of the palm jaggery is the highlight of this pudding. I have used quite light colored palm jaggery and hence the pudding looks lighter in color. Look at the texture of the Watalappam, friends. This is so jiggly and just melts in your mouth. I'm garnishing it with cashew nuts. This is completely optional. Do try this delicious Watalappam and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. You can steam this Watalappam in 7 or 8 inch pan as well. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.